Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with the next Zombicide Undead or Alive mini. This is Kassey. I primed her black and given her a white zenithal highlight. Her shirt is a similar colour to Pablito's, but I don't like how that came out, so I'm going for mummy robes as the base coat for this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. And moving on to her bottoms, I used golden olive to get that army green look. For all of her exposed skin, I used elven flesh from Army Painter. Moving on to her hair and the ropes around her, I used Dust Bowl. I then grabbed black grey and done the leather straps on her, the dagger handle and the tips around the dynamite she is holding. The handle of her sword is gold, so I went for greedy gold with this. For her dynamite satchel and the dynamite itself, I base coat them with demon red. Next up, I give the remaining metal parts a quick once over with plate armor. Moving on to the highlighting, I used ivory tusk for the highlights on her shirt. This doesn't show up too much, but it just adds some variation for when the wash goes on. The highlight for her bottoms is done with necrotic flesh, just to give that sickly green look. Highlighting up the satchel and the sword tassel, I went for Mars Red. This doesn't cover well at all and requires several coats to get it up to see a bit of a difference in person. Her skin is then highlighted with corpse pale. I'm going for extra bright here as I'm hoping the wash tones it down enough to give her a natural skin look. The base, as always, gets a once over with plague brown. Start on the washes. I use necrosis green wash on her bottoms to keep that dirty green region. The other wash is 2 thin coats flesh wash over everything else. This looks like it stains far more than Army Painter's version, so I took a bit of time afterwards and just clean up any excessive pooling, any areas I don't want too much staining. And that'll be it for Kassey. I think the shirt came out far better than Pablito's, the way the flesh wash stained it, but the skin needed to be a lot lighter for the flesh wash to work how it should do. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.